What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn off scheduled do not disturb on your Redmi cell phone. So to fix this issue, first of all turn off scheduled do not disturb. So to do that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on sound and vibration. Now scroll down and tap on do not disturb and here tap on schedule turn on time. Now from here, if you have set a timer, then turn off the timer, and after that tap on this cross icon. So after turning off the timer, your do not disturb will stop turning on automatically. But if you're still facing the issue, then check for software update. So to check that, open settings, tap on about phone and then tap on the software version. Now it will automatically check for the available updates. So if you have any available update, then update your phone to the latest version, and after updating the phone to the latest version, the do not disturb auto turning on issue will be fixed. But after updating the software, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and here tap on apps. Now in apps, tap on manage apps. Now in here, tap on this three dot more option and then tap on other settings. Now here tap on reset app preferences and then tap on reset apps. So when you will tap on reset apps here, it will reset the preferences for all of your apps, and resetting the app preferences will fix the do not disturb automatically turning on issue. So that's how you can fix the do not disturb keeps turning on issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.